Hello, this is John Clark with Full Confidence Home Inspection. I'd just like to talk to you for a minute about your home and the importance of its maintenance. Make sure your home lasts a good long time, since it's going to take you a good long time to pay for it, since it's your biggest investment you'll probably ever make. And I think it's important to have it inspected every few years by a qualified licensed inspector to point out any big defects or anything that needs to be addressed, minor or major, to keep your house in the best condition it can be in. And a lot of the maintenance you can do yourself with a season by season maintenance schedule for you to follow. And I'd be more than happy to do that service for you. All you have to do is go to my website. It's fullconfidencehomeinspection.com, and you can very easy to schedule an appointment. And for just a little small fee, you can save a lot of maintenance and money in the long run. So hope this is helpful. Thank you.